Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Diana Natalia, NIM 8032259, Biology Class D. Here I will explain about bioentrepreneurship and biology transfer to product development. Bioentrepreneurship combines the technology and entrepreneurship to build a profitable but technology products driving innovation in economies growth, especially in developing countries. It takes management, capital, and technology working synergistic. Entrepreneurship contributes to increase income, employment, and other business. Entrepreneurship in skills span, executing time management and network skills. The US, Europe, and Japan are leading the world, while India has great potential but living criticized as well of innovation in finding. The Indian government is working to increasing exploring cooperation with academic, industry, and government